The AIADMK BJP alliance for the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections has sent shivers down the spine of the ruling DMK. A day back, Union Minister Amit Shah announced the alliance in Chennai. Our alliance is much stronger. I am fully confident that NDA will win a major victory and an NDA government will be formed in Tamil Nadu, Shah said. Interestingly, if we look at the poll percentages received during 2024 Lok Sabha polls by AIADMK, BJP and DMK, it becomes clear how this alliance can easily unseat DMK from power. In recent general elections in Tamil Nadu, DMK got 26.93% votes, while AIADMK fetched 20.46% votes. Further, BJP got 11.24% votes. If one combines the vote percentages of both AIADMK and BJP, the duo stands at over 31% votes, which is far ahead of DMK's 26.93%. This is what troubles Stalin very much. The DMK Supremo knows that the AIADMK-BJP alliance will give his party a run for its money. The effect of the alliance was clearly seen as Stalin for the first time took prompt action against one of its senior party leaders who made derogatory remarks about women and making crude references to Hindu religious symbols. There have been several cases in the past when the Hindu religion and Hindu gods have been abused by DMK leaders. Even his son Udayanidhi Stalin compared the Hindu religion with Corona, but none in DMK even criticized him. The quick action now reveals that Stalin understands that the AIADMK-BJP alliance will pose a formidable challenge before him. While declaring that alliance, Union Minister Amit Shah also disclosed that the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections will be fought under the leadership of AIADMK chief Edapadi K. Palaniswamy. He also slammed the ruling DMK for diverting attention from key issues by raking up matters like delimitation, NEET and the three-language policy. The coming together of AIADMK and BJP has upset the ruling DMK Stalin's narrative of dubbing the BJP as someone from the Hindi heartland who believes in promoting Hindi. With AIADMK joining hands with the BJP, Stalin will now be forced to redraw his poll strategy.